Now it seems that yesterday, suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's the shadow hanging over me. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't stay.
She went something.
Get over it, man. She went something. Just bring it back my lunch. Something wrong, now I'm lost for years.